Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, so Savannah and anybody else who needs to see this at home, the paper you have is 18 inches long. The ruler is 18 inches long, all right? You may have a 12 incher, so you may have to do this by moving your ruler. But if you have one that's 18, the long way divided by 4 is 4.5 inches, all right? And I know 4.5 inches doesn't make a lot of sense in your brain because we don't talk about stuff like that a lot, but you go to 4, then you go halfway through and then make a big mark right there, 4.5. Then I go to 9, which is if you add 4.5 and 4.5, you get to 9. So I go ahead and make a big mark here. If you add 4.5 to 9, you get to 13.5. All right, again, that's a lot of me throwing out words and math, so a lot of people, it's a little over your head. So, but just go every 4.5 inches if you need to. Then on the other side, so that you make sure yours are straight, you will again mark it at 4.5, 9, and 13.5. And again, the reason I'm sending you this video is so you can pause it if you don't get what I'm doing, or you can rewatch it or whatever else. Now I take my ruler and I line it up between both of those. And I'm making 4 even-sized quadrants of this paper. You can see that these are all 4 even, 4.5 inches apart. 4.5, you see it right there. Now, for the other direction, okay? Can I spin this, you think?
Yeah, you can see.
Okay, so if I spin it the other direction here, guys, it's 12 inches. So now it's a different measurement. And a lot of people in class had a hard time because they use the same measurements on both sides, and it messed them up. This side, if you divide 12 by 4, you get 3. Okay, so you got 3, 6, and 9, because 3, then add 3 is 6, add 3 is 9. I take it, and I make sure to do it on both sides because some people have trouble with theirs not being straight because they don't line it up on both sides. So now I've lined it up on both sides, and now I will draw these out. And there you go. They're all evenly sized. Thank you.